Hello everyone. Did you know that genetic algorithms have several advantages for solving optimization problems, particularly those that are complex, nonlinear, or have large and poorly understood search spaces? Inspired by natural evolution, genetic algorithms work with a population of potential solutions and use operators such as selection, crossover, and mutation to explore the solution space efficiently. This population-based approach reduces the risk of getting trapped in local optima and allows genetic algorithms to handle discontinuous, non-differentiable, and multimodal objective functions. Moreover, they are highly flexible, easy to hybridize with other optimization methods, and can be applied to both discrete and continuous problems without requiring gradient information, making them a powerful tool for solving a wide range of real-world optimization challenges. What do you think about genetic algorithms for optimization? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.